Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your REDMI Buds 6 Pro too quiet. And firstly, I recommend to clean the grill, and you need to remove your earbuds. Ear tips from your earbuds and clean it with a brush. You can use toothbrush or brush from that cleaning tool. At this channel we have video how to do this, so you can check it, how to clean your earbuds. Now, when you clean it and it didn't help you, I recommend it to... So firstly, if this problem is only with one of your earbuds, we can change sound balance. And first I will show you how to do this on Apple device and then on Android device. So you need to go to the settings, then to accessibility, what located under the general settings. And also some Android phones have system what more looking like iOS than Android. So maybe you will have something similar what iPhone have. So we go to the accessibility and then we need to scroll down and go to the hearing. And in the hearing we have audio and visual. You need to tap at this line, then scroll down again, and right here we have sound balance. And right here we have this dot. If you have iOS 26 you will see a slider. So to change this balance for the right earbud, you need to move this dot or the slider to the right. And what we do, we just increase the volume on the right earbud and lower it on the left earbud. And let's say if I use 100% for the right earbud, I will totally mute sound for the left earbud. And it's the same if you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this slider to the left. Yeah. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud and lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for iPhone. Now let's move to Android device. And I have Pixel 8, so this is a stock Android. I will show you how to do this on the stock Android, because Android phones are different, the system is different, so maybe you will have another path to it. Now open settings and you need to find accessibility. On my phone it's located at the bottom. Right here we have it, tap on it, and then we need to scroll down again and find audio adjustment. Also I have it at the bottom. And right here we have audio balance. To change this balance for the right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right, and now we increase the volume on the right earbud but lower it on the left earbud. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. Now to increase it for the left earbud, you need to move this slider to the left. And again, we just increase the volume on the left earbud but lower it on the right earbud. If it didn't help you, maybe you need to contact customer service. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!